gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the second edition of TV9 What India Thinks Today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, is here.
The theme that we have chosen for this year's summit is India poised for the next big leap. The citizen DNA reset is evident in every Indian like me who has gone from can we to we can to now we will in just a matter of 10 years.
आज TV9 की टीम ने इस समिट के लिए बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक चुना है। इंडिया पॉइज्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट बिग लीप। पिछले 10 साल में माइंडसेट में जो बदलाव आया है, जो लीप हमने लिया है, वो वाकई अद्भुत है।
On behalf of TV9 Network family, I pledge support to your vision of a Viksit Bharat.
Here at the TV9 Network putting together the What India Thinks Today Summit.
Please welcome Mr. Tony Abbott.
What a wonderful event, and how marvellous it is to be here in this fantastic country at this important time.
Let's put our hands together for External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar.
If a receiving state does not investigate and take action against someone who attacks an embassy or a consulate, there is a message.
TV9 भारतवर्ष सत्ता सम्मेलन में बारी है उस सेशन की जिसका आप सभी को इंतजार था।
हर जगह से वोट मिलेगा, हर जगह से सीट मिलेगी और हम 400 पार कर तीसरी बार लगातार 2/3 बहुमत के साथ सरकार।
Do you reduce women to just that token that is a service component in your life?
TV9 Network Nakshatra Samman goes to the ever-shining star Raveena Tandon.
We have actually stood our ground and said, hello, we ain't retiring.
Kangana Ranaut, welcome to the News9 Global Summit.
I also want to be the part of the great shift, the conscious shift that we are having as a nation.
I went in to repair my watch in Los Angeles, and the guy sat there and looked at me and said, "You're from India?" I said, "Yes." He said,
Put your hands together for V. Selva Ganesh, our next Nakshatra Award winner.
I would like to thank TV9 for this great, and what a proud woman.
माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, रांझणाना आया मेरा, माहियाना आया, माहियाना आया मेरा, रांझणाना आया। अखां दा नूर वेख के अखियां चो हंझर उड़दे।
India's Mega Thought Fest is back indeed, and it's bigger, bolder and brighter this year. One man has been leading us from the front, and that is none other than our MD and CEO, Mr. Barun Das.
Today is the curtain raiser of the second edition of TV9 What India Thinks Today Summit.
Please put your hands together for Shri Anurag Thakur, who also joins us for our first session, requesting both these gentlemen to please take the stage.
Prime Minister Modi has spoken about the bid to Olympics for 2036. Is India ready?
This time it makes more sense for the IOC to give 2036 Olympics to none other than Bharat, our India.
We have a great opportunity to grab if we can inculcate sports to be an attitude in our country's citizens.
The next session is titled Sports Burnishing, an opportunity for new India. And it's all about how sport can be used as a fuel that can make brand India burn brighter in all its glory.
TV9 Network presents the What India Thinks Today Summit.
No time before has the Prime Minister of the country spoken about sports so much. No time before has a prime news channel kicked off with sport as one of its major events.
Looking at the idea of the Kilo India system, this is exactly what makes, I think, European sports successful.
India's para cricket team captain Amir Hussain Lone. Rising star Harmilan Corbett. Please put your hands together for Sift Kaur Sabra.
India's might as a nation is not only in terms of its hard power, that's economic prowess or its strong government, it goes far beyond that. And who better to talk about leveraging India's soft power than our next guest?
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Amitabh Kant.
You need to converge and integrate your hard power with your culture, your civilization, your music. I mean, look at what has happened in the Grammy Award. You had 5 Grammy Awards this year. Look at what Ricky Cage has done to India. Zakir won 3 awards. Ricky Cage has been winning Grammy Awards. So these are the people who add to India's soft power.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and invite Ms. Raveena Tandon on stage.
I was going to say hard power, soft power, but women's power, it's incomparable. Won't you agree?
It's time where I think women have actually come on to their own in our industry as well.
Yes.
And we have actually stood our ground and said, hello, we ain't retiring.
This is the second day, the start of the News 9 Global Summit.
It's my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the News 9 Global Summit, which is the day 2 of TV9 What India Thinks Today. The summit theme ponders over a bold aspiration, India poised for the next big leap. Notably, to get an honest outside-in view, we have invited several distinguished leaders and experts from all over the world, in fact from over 20 countries, to share their perspectives and prescriptions.
Unlike NATO, the Quad is not American-led. Indeed, it would not exist but for Shinzo Abe's foresight and determination, and for Narendra Modi's perception and magnanimity. With greater strength comes greater responsibility. And that's my sense of where Prime Minister Modi is taking India.
Amid all the global gloom and doom, India has emerged as a shining beacon of light. India's commitment to fostering peace extends beyond its borders, engaging in multilateral forums and peacekeeping missions.
Well, delighted to welcome you all here at the TV9 News 9 global summit.
It is in all our interest to have a very strong India, geopolitically and geoeconomically, because this is probably the only bridge in the world right now, trying to somehow balance two almost impossible, actually, partners. That is the West on the one side and Russia and China by extension on the others.
It's nice to be back in incredible India, a place where I was first introduced to unity in diversity. I did my schooling here, and where I had the first taste for democracy.
What India did, I think, from day one and was led by Honorable Prime Minister Modi, in the afternoon of October 7, he already came out very strongly against the attack and against terrorism. And this was a very persistent view of India all along the way.
TV9 Network presents What India Thinks Today's Summit. Please welcome on stage Minister for Women, Child Development and Minority Affairs, Smriti Irani.
My father is habituated to me getting him in trouble. I still remember as a kid, between my parents, they used to do a coin toss to say, "Aaj Smriti ki report card lene kaun jayega?" I think this is the first time that my father was happy to be in attendance to meet with my teacher. The fact that you can even be a student in Prime Minister Modi's class is a great privilege.
Union Minister of Railways, Communications and IT, Ashwini Vaishnav.
Our Prime Minister is very clear that technology has to be democratized. Technology should be available to every common citizen, as much to you as to a person in the remote parts of Jharkhand, as much to a person in Mumbai, as to a person on the boats of Kerala.
Please welcome actor and youth icon Ayushmann Khurrana to discuss cinema for New India.
Nobody knows that I said no to 6 films before signing up with Vicky Donor, because I always thought that being an outsider, I will never get a second chance. तो पहली बॉल पर 6 मारना ज़रूरी था, otherwise मेरा ऑप्शन नहीं था कोई.
आज TV9 What India Thinks Today समिट का तीसरा और सबसे दिलचस्प पड़ाव है, जिसे हमने नाम दिया है TV9 भारतवर्ष सत्ता सम्मेलन.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करिए देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी का.
मोदी जी ने कहा है 400 पार, तो हम निश्चित रूप से 400 पार करेंगे. इसमें किसी को कंफ्यूजन रखने की जरूरत नहीं.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए देश के सबसे अनुभवी नेताओं में से एक, देश के रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह जी का.
विश्व में शांति स्थापना की भी जब आवश्यकता पड़ेगी, तो उसमें महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका इस समय विश्व में दुनिया का कोई देश निभा सकता है, तो वह केवल भारत निभा सकता है.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ आप स्वागत करिए कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी का.
तो हम जमीन पे ही चलते चलते दिल्ली तक पहुंचे हैं, तो इसलिए वो सड़क पे हम लड़ने की भी तैयारी रखे हैं, सदन में लड़ने की तैयारी है, और वहाँ पर MLA बन के वहाँ भी लड़े हैं. लड़ाई में हम कोई कसूर नहीं रखेंगे, लड़ते ही रहेंगे जब तक जीत नहीं पाएंगे.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल का.
हमने अपने सारे बच्चों को पढ़ा दिया. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ 7-8 साल के अंदर, एक जनरेशन के अंदर हमारे देश के अंदर से गरीबी दूर हो जाएगी.
कि पॉलिटिकल पर्पस है आज के दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराना.
जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री आम आदमी पार्टी के कद्दावर नेता सरदार भगवंत मान का. एक आर्टिस्ट के तौर पर परफॉर्म कर रहे थे और आप इतने फेमस भी हो चुके थे, कटरीना कैफ के साथ फिल्में भी कर रहे थे. ऐसा क्या सोचा कि कटरीना कैफ को छोड़कर आप केजरीवाल के साथ आ गए?
देखिए,
कटरीना कैफ को केजरीवाल जी से मत कंपेयर करें।
जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करिए बाबा रामदेव का।
आज योग है, आयुर्वेद है, सनातन है, भारत है, वो पूरा ही ग्लोबल हो रहा है और आपकी समिट का नाम ही ग्लोबल समिट है।
TV9 WTT समिट और TV9 भारत वर्ष 70 सम्मेलन को कामयाब बनाने के लिए आप सभी दर्शकों का बहुत शुक्रिया। हम वादा करते हैं कि आपसे कि ये मंच जल्द ही दोबारा फिर सजेगा, फिर दुनिया भर की हस्तियां इस मंच पर होंगी, फिर देश के सरोकार से जुड़े मुद्दे बेबाकी के साथ उठाए जाएंगे।